2021. What's up? My name is Noir.TM. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Noir.TM. Finally making good progress. My buddy came through just to make some measurements, just to make sure that all the wiring is good, and then we move forward. Did say that I was going to go ahead and start working on the aesthetics, which is exactly what we're doing today because, oh, well, got it flipped the wrong way. We finally got some little things for the car to start making it look a lot better. Today it's not going to be the aesthetics on the outside, but more on the inside. Hi. Hey, dude. How are you? I think I haven't seen you since last year. Alright, so because with any kind of fast car, you also want to make sure that you stay safe. So I also, well, besides these actually go in the engine bay. Got myself some racing harnesses.
Oh, yeah, you in there?
Yeah, I'm in there. So I'm trying to make sure that I stay safe.
And, down the front, right?
Yeah, so it's gonna, so it should be like right around here,
yeah.
And it goes onto my harness bar that's inside the car.
Harness bar.
Yeah, let me show you that too.
Don't let me take you away from what you're doing.
You're actually helping me. You're not hurting me.
55?
And the car is completely gutted in the rear. So what's gonna happen is on this harness bar is actually where I'm gonna go ahead and strap the belts to.
It comes through the seat.
Yeah, and it goes through those holes.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
This car's kind of a death trap, so I want to make sure I stay as safe as possible.
Okay.
So we already got the harness in. It's one of my more favorite neighbors. He's pretty cool, so stop by just to talk. We got the harness now. I need to get this installed. So you guys can see, and I'm going to revert to a previously recorded video because I am filming, even though I haven't posted this year yet. Let me get started with the In.Focus shift boot install, and then we can move back towards what needs to be. Oh, what the? That's not safe. I'm gonna fix that and also get this harness, the harness strap in, so we should be good to go from here. Or past me, whatever case. Yeah, so I shaved. We're gonna move past that. I got myself a lot of interior things, and before I wanted to drop the car driving first in 2021. That probably would have been meant that I might have been posting a video in late January because the harness is being done. It's actually, by the time I'm filming this, we have an In.Focus shift boot. I did have them previously, and before it was the burgundy one, but this time you guys already know that the color scheme I'm going with is blue, black, and rose gold or bronze, whatever color that came out with outside, whatever. We have a brand new steering wheel, which we also happen to have. I was like, what the hell is that? A D&D shift knob and a D&D steering wheel on the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the In.Focus shift boot. Super easy to install. Honestly, it's just, I'll even show you guys, like, you just, oh God, I'm gonna break this. All right, hold on. It's that simple. I'm really hyped on the color scheme that I chose and like little accents, and hopefully you guys like this too. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite interior mod? I want to see everybody comment what your favorite interior mod is, and I want you guys to hit like and subscribe, or I will find you, I will go to your house, and we will take a shower. I can't leave that video. I'm gonna get it. That sucks. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it. I got this lined up so the D&D is facing like perfect. This looks freaking vibrant. I'm really liking this. Ignore everything that's going on here. Once the harness is in, it's gonna get cleaned up. Same thing with all the insulation and everything. This interior will look as mint as possible because once I get my passenger seat, I just want everything to be clean. But this is awesome. Very vibrant. Very simple install. Looks great with the D&D shift knob. Right now it's like 31 degrees and I'm freezing my balls off. So let's continue this video in 1 second. EcuTek. Let me also explain which one I got. Now we're back from the old footage, but so I did get the one that just to be honest with you guys, I did get the 4.1 just because the 5 is a little bit more dangerous now. I didn't know, like, dangerous for street driving. I did not know that it came with a seat belt for the price that I paid and what I'm getting. So more than happy. I also I went ahead and got the cushions for it as well too. Yeah, that's what I have right now. To be honest, I think this whole setup was like 140 bucks just for one, and I still need to get the other seat and another strap too. But for now, this is what we got. Hey, good to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too, man. Hey, I'm Miguel.
Ray. Ray. Good to meet you. All the neighbors are cool here, man. Alright, let's get back to it. So pretty simple, just kind of just mocking it up just to make sure that it's all good to go. I think reaching this one in the corner closest to the camera, I'm not gonna move it right now, but that looks like it's gonna be probably the biggest headache to put on. I need a mounting spot for this one. I might have sent a nut really, this is a tad too hard. This is something I'm gonna have to come back and fix because unfortunately, yeah, where I first showed you guys, probably not wise to just fully send a little nut that just ain't gonna, I mean, you could send a little nut, but not in this context. At least harness is on, as you guys can see. Yeah, still has to be adjusted a little bit and everything. It's supposed to be a little bit easier to get in and out of. At least this, all you gotta do is just release and you just get out. Like, it's not that serious compared to like other harnesses that, you know, you have to get on, you have to get the little buckle on and all that. It takes a little bit of time. I'm in and out. Fairly simple install. Would I recommend this harness? Maybe not. I see myself kind of changing these out soon. I bought it more for the aesthetic and just having something readily available, so that way this needs to go a little bit lower. Just to have something available because the car will be driving soon and I have to have some kind of seatbelt or something, so if and when I get pulled over, you know, I'm not like just screwing myself over. But I'm happy with how everything turned out. So I mean, you know, the blues, what are the chances of getting perfect blues from two different companies? But I think I'm just gonna wait for a part 2 to do the steering wheel, because I know I talked about it in the earlier clips. I think we're just gonna wait until I have everything and just probably do like a part 2 and just show the install of this. This is what I'm more hyped about because my steering wheel is kind of just already taking a crap on me. I think it's gonna clean up the look of the car a lot, but let's show these harness parts. Let's show what we've so far, everything we've done. Finish up something that I should have probably done a long time ago, ever since I started working at Z1. For some time, you know, I've had some CZP couplers. Well, we finally, after a few months, have gotten some Z1 couplers, so those have to go, and we are going to finally replace these. Yeah, should be fairly simple. Knowing me, you know, I tend to screw things up somehow, but we're gonna get started. You guys, taking off these things a lot more of a headache than it should be, but these Basura might just give these away or something. I'll throw those away later. Z1 couplers officially on. We're good to go. And I've cut my finger pretty damn nasty doing just VR things, so thanks. Shout out to Enthusiast Point of View for helping me out, because these things are actually a lot more of a headache than it should be. Gonna put this all back. Sensor. All right, cool. I'm gonna start packing up, but that's it. Just make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because we're gonna finish up with the part 2 with the steering wheel and everything else to make the interior a lot more complete. But you know, it's coming out. It's coming out all right. You can't really see right now because it's already getting dark, but we out here, baby. So like I said, if you guys haven't liked the video, just make sure to hit that like button, because it does, God, I cut my finger, whatever. It does help me with the algorithm getting out there. Soon the harness will be done, so that way we can go ahead and start doing the first drives and shakedowns. I know I've been saying that a lot, but thankfully I'm in very good hands with Kyle. So he's gonna come by, I think, next weekend and do some more measurements or whatever the case may be, but we're looking pretty good. So a few more videos and we should be able to start 2021 with a good bang. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for making it this far. If you made it this far, type in the comments bubble butts. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one.